One of the biggest challenges in your Fenceline monitoring program is data collection. To satisfy the requirements of the rule, you need to consider field data, weather data, and lab data. But it isn't a linear process. It's much more like a cycle of cycles. The data needs to be easily collected, shared, and calculated, then shared again, and it needs to be securely stored. Trying to wrangle all this data in spreadsheets, email, and file folders will cost you time, money, and risk compliance. But with Fenceline Pro, we've worked out the logic and built solid data management process so that you don't have to spend time and money chasing data around. And you can sleep well at night knowing that all your data and compliance program is safe. Let's dive into our field data collection application that is available on 3 major platforms: Windows, iOS, and Android. Our simple interface and intuitive design has been field tested in multiple refineries during their pilot programs. Important compliance data is easily captured, then uploaded to the Fenceline Pro database for safekeeping. This is where the magic begins, and you realize the savings. Behind the scenes, Fenceline Pro has been collecting weather data from a NOAA station or your on-site station so that we can automatically populate the COC with the calculated average temperature and pressure for your sampling period. We've set up Fenceline Pro to work with these laboratories: ALS, Bonner Analytical, Enthalpy, Eurofins, GCal, Merit Labs, and Technology Laboratory, which means that we know their EDD and COC formats. But don't worry, if you're using another lab, we can easily set them up with no problem. Okay, back to the data and more importantly, the COC. Fenceline Pro automatically creates the COC. No more time wasted filling out a paper form and chasing down data to calculate averages. Fenceline Pro does it for you in the click of a mouse. Now that your tube collection is complete and COC created, you just have to sit back. Wait for the data to magically appear in Fenceline Pro. Remember when I said we know the EDD formats for all those labs? Yep, that means the data will flow directly from the lab to Fenceline Pro. Stay tuned for the next video to see the cool things that happen once we get your data. And if you can't wait for the next video, just click on the link below and we'll set up a personalized demo.